Hi guys! We're back with another recipe and today we are making creamy beef and mushroom casserole. Ang mga ingredients natin are as follows. We have some stewing beef. Sa nakita ninyo sa aking kaldereta video before, ang favorite way ko na pagpapalambot dito sa aking beef ay through my slow cooker. So ang ginawa ko ay added 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning at yung aking raw beef. And then, I slow cooked it for 5 hours. So, ito na yung kinalabasan. Fork tender na siya. Next, we have our sliced mushrooms. And this is yung water or yung broth dun sa process ng pagpapaslow cook natin. And this, we have butter. And I also have cream of mushroom can. Ang kinuha ko, or cream of mushroom, ang kinuha ko yung 40% less salt. Kaya mapapansin nyo, hindi na ako maglalagay ng salt dito. Ang aking added flavoring ay yung aking Worcestershire Sauce. Ito yung aking Worcestershire Sauce. I also have pepper, garlic, and onion. Okay? So, let's get cooking! Okay guys, I forgot na we needed a little olive oil as well. Siguro mga 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then 2 tablespoons of butter. So we will just let it melt in a medium heat. Okay, we can start adding in our onions and cook until it's translucent and develops a little color. Okay, so just about 7 minutes. Tingnan natin, ang ganda na ng color. Nag-caramelize na mabuti yung ating onions. Now, we can put in our mushrooms. So, kung anong mushroom ang meron ninyo, you can use it, okay? So, it just so happened that we have this white mushroom. So, mix well. Siguro we'll wait 3 minutes. And then, we can add in our garlic. Okay, so after about 3 minutes, ito na yung ating onions and mushrooms. We can start adding in our garlic. Okay, so 1 to 2 minutes lang natin lulutuin yung ating garlic. Kung naamoy nyo lang guys, smells so good. Okay, pwede na natin i-add yung ating stewed beef. So, mix it well hanggang sa mag-incorporate lahat ng ating ingredients. And since luto na itong ating beef, pwede na nating lagyan ng pepper. Mind you guys, nasa medium, okay? Nasa medium ang ating heat ngayon. And then we can add in our 1 cup of broth. Kung kukulangin pa tayo sa broth, meron pa rin ako naka-reserve na broth from the process of yung process ng ating pag-slow cook. So, or if kung wala, you can just use water. Okay, so we will cover this and let it simmer for a few minutes and then I'll come back. Okay? Okay guys, so after 3 minutes, mapapansin nyo I didn't put any salt to it. I just added pepper. So, magre-rely tayo sa flavor ng ating cream of mushroom soup. So, from there, let's see how it goes, okay? So, we'll use 1 and then 2. At this time, you can lower down the heat, okay? Okay guys, so check out the consistency of this dish, okay? Kita naman natin, napaka-creamy. So, I tasted for seasoning. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng konti pang pepper. Yung alat, para sa akin, is tamang-tama na. But if you find it not salty enough to your liking, syempre, you could add in some salt. But at this time, lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting Worcestershire or W sauce for added flavor. That's just 1 drop. And then, we will just let it simmer one last time. And then, we have our dish. Okay guys, so here you go, our creamy beef and mushroom casserole or creamy beef and mushroom stew. I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. By the way, I'm gonna pair this with some sweet mashed potatoes. I'm gonna pour this on top of it and it will be the most perfect dish for your family. So again guys, thank you for watching.